Hi all, welcome to Racsinfotech. We are going to share our upcoming batch, Oracle DBA 19C training, online training, which is starting from 1st August, 2024 onwards. So I'm going to share all the details like duration of that training and the course index and how to register this training and what are the topics we are going to cover as part of this training. All those details we are going to cover in this part. Okay, quick introduction about our Racsinfotech. Racsinfotech, it's been like almost 1 year is completed. We are given more than 6 batches in this year. And not only Oracle DB, it's about, Rack DB also we have given couple of batches. Also, we are giving the job support for Oracle DBA and Apps DBA professionals and needies. So these are all a background of our Oracle Racsinfotech. So our motto is to train more people on Oracle DBA side, on the Apps DBA and Core DB and Cloud side. Also, we are going to share a couple of non-Oracle DBA trainings as well through our social media channel like YouTube channel and our blog also. But we have a blog that is Anjani Apps DBA. I'm going to share those details in a couple of minutes. Okay, that's about Racsinfotech quick introduction. Now we are going to talk about this training. This training purely designed for Oracle 19C DBA. So those who are looking for jobs in IT market, so they don't have any exposure or they don't have any knowledge in IT, but they want to start their career in IT, like any one of the training or any one of the technical skill they want to learn, and then they can start. But they don't know, what to start and which course they want to start and all right. For them, I'm going to give you this Oracle 19C or Oracle DBA is one of the best platform. Why? Because you don't need to write a single line of code in this training. Also, it's a kind of like if you can put your efforts around 3 to 6 months, definitely you will settle down in IT as a what I can say like IT or software engineer. Okay, software. Whatever the training which we are going to cover all the topics. If you learn those topics, that's more than enough. Okay, and if you want to skill up more and more, like we have a huge scope in Oracle side. So there is no limits in Oracle. It's like a sky. You have to upgrade every year or every what I can say step in your career. So this is for initially those who want to start their career like 1 to 2 years experience guys. They already worked, but they don't have much experience on this part. They can utilize this opportunity, and somebody they want to explore like up to 4 to 5 years also they can able to what I can say work in their organizations like in that part. So this course, once you're done with this course, you can able to work up to 4 to 5 years of uh, those who are working real time. Now you can match with that skill set. So the course is defined and designed in that way. Okay, this course duration. Okay, we are going to start this course from like layman, like they people doesn't know anything. We are going to teach from ABCD onwards. Okay, how to start, what you need to learn first step. Second thing, and how to connect to the servers. What is server? Okay, complete part we are going to cover. Duration of this course is 40 hours. Okay, we are going to cover all the topics within 40 hours. It may extend 1 or 2 hours. It may not go beyond that. It is within 40 hours we are going to cover. But yeah, if it is required, we are going to extended our sessions. Then it might be take 1 or 2 hours extra. That's it. So batch is going to start date is 1st August 2024. This is the evening batch, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST time, Indian time zone. I'm going to start this training only on weekdays, Monday to Friday. Okay, this batch we are going to conduct Monday to Friday. Per day, 1.5 hour. Per day, 1.5 hour, we are going to teach you on this training. And course fee is the 15K INR. If you want to discuss, if you want to require, or if you need to discuss and how to register, and if you have any queries, right, you can reach out to us, racsinfotech@gmail.com. RACSINFOTECH, racsinfotech@gmail.com. Or you can contact us through WhatsApp calls or direct calls using this number, +919392634440. This is the communication for your queries or any more information you required for registration also. Okay. And this is the WhatsApp group. I'm going to upload all these details in our video description. You can go through it and then join this WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group, we have more than 300 plus professionals are already there, and our previous students also there. So this is the WhatsApp group and the course index. This also I'm going to share you. Then this is my blog. There I already posted this course index and all the details, whatever I'm going to share you now, showing you now in this video. So all those things I already pasted in my blog. That is Anjani Apps DBA blogspot.com. So this is our YouTube channel, Racsinfotech. You can go through our previous videos, previous batches when we have started, and all those details and more information related to Oracle, not only Oracle DBA, Apps DBA, Rack DBA related things. And upcoming, we are going to post OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure related, non-Oracle database related like Postgres, and some other extra knowledge also we are going to upload in future. As of now, we are having more than 100 plus videos related to complete Oracle related knowledge. You can go through it and you can gain more knowledge on this from this channel. Okay. Also, we have a Telegram group. I mean, this link also I'm going to share you. You can join that Telegram group. Let me quickly show you our groups and all those things. So that this is our YouTube channel, Racsinfotech. So we have more than 2.2K subscribers and followers. All are related to like enthusiastically, they are interested to learn Oracle DBA skill sets and other DBA skill sets. So they joined it. So if you are interested, you can join and then you can learn more. This is our blog. It's Anjani Apps DB Blogspot. It's been like more than 9 years, around 10 years. I'm writing this blog, so you can go through it. It's like unlimited, like huge information you will get it from here. Performance tuning, rack, supercluster, shell scripting, so many things, whatnot. So you will get a lot of knowledge from this blog. So here I already posted this link also. I'm going to share with you guys in this video description. So this is the course details. I'll share you that course index. What are the topics we are going to cover? Okay, I'm just quick. I'm going a bit faster because I want to cover, spend more time on this course index. Okay, these are all the things which you want to know. I'm just kind of introduction about the Racsinfotech. Who am I? So I should introduce myself with you so that you have to like understand like, oh, this guy is this, so they're going to share this kind of knowledge, and that's where I'm going to take this much time. Okay, next one. If you type anything, top 100 Oracle blogs directly from the Google, you can try Google and then top 100 Oracle blogs. If you can type, see this one of the forum, they're going to monitor it and they're going to publish it. Those who are sharing the knowledge, and they grab it and then they are sharing throughout the globe. Top 100 top best or 100 best Oracle blogs, you can see Anjani Apps DB is the 7th place. Okay, Anjani Apps DB is the 7th place. This is one of the achievement because it is not possible without you guys. If you are not going to read it, if you are not going to follow my blog, if you are not going to use my information, whatever I'm going to share, I will not achieve this. So Anjani Apps DB, as of now, as I said, we have huge number of information in this my blog. Like almost since when I started this in 2015, I started this blog. See here, almost close to a decade. I'm going to continuously sharing my knowledge. In between a few years, might be busy with some other things, but yeah, but I was continuously sharing knowledge through my blog. That's where I achieved 7th position. If you want to click on this blog and you can see it, who are the tops. Oracle direct, this is a Oracle blog. then some other things, but our position is 7. Anjani Apps DBA is the 7th position. Okay. Next, we have dedicated batch wise. We have a groups, WhatsApp groups. There I'm going to, I have already shared that link uh, in my social media groups everywhere. But for this video also, in this video description also, I'm going to give you WhatsApp group. This is a Racsinfotech Oracle DBA Talents. We have more than 300 plus people is there in this group. If you want, you can see here community, how many members we are having. We are 346 members. Yeah, it's continuously growing, and this is for common group, and those who are going to join this batch, especially for them individual batches, previous batch is there, rack dba normal september group is there, august groups is there. So in this way individual groups also there. So for august batch I'm going to add you guys in this group, august group. Okay. And our linkedin also, we have Racsinfotech online training. So if you are not yet followed, you can follow this group as well. Okay, now we are coming to introduction is done. That's more than enough. Now we are coming to this course. This is completely designed for Oracle DBA professional, those who want to, uh, those who are looking for job in IT, okay, with fresher, or if you want to switch your career, like you are having already 3 years experience into different technology. So if you want to move out from that technology to another one, so you can choose this. I'm going to suggest uh, as per my experience. If it is not suitable to you, up to you. You have to end of the day, you have to take your decision, right? So Oracle DBA, it's very simple and very easy, straightforward. Whatever you learn, almost 60 to 70% the same work you're going to do entire your life. Okay. So job opportunities wise, it's a kind of like what I can say, decade. Next to 1 decade, we don't have any issues for job market. I'll show you that as well. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to, coming to this course index. So we are going to cover all these topics without any compromisings, complete knowledge, 12C and 19C. The 12C almost like, even though few of the customers are using 12C version, database software version, but we are going to cover this training on 19C. Even we are going to discuss with what are the benefits in 12C and 19C, differences between 12C and 19C. So latest version and long-term support, even though we are having 21C and 23 AI also in the market, but yet to release for that lives and all. So there are like so many, what I can say, investigation R&Ds is going on this continuously. Oracle is going to improve their productivities and improving they're going to upgrade according to the technology. They're going to, like, as of now, AI they introduced. Till now we are using 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 19C, now 23 AI. The remote CC means cloud. So we are going to discuss all of those things. Even I'm going to take one of the session in 23 AI, latest database version, how we are going to install and how we are going to access that. That also I'm going to, I haven't mentioned in the course index, but yeah, I'm going to share that as well. So this is about what we are going to learn, what software we are going to learn, and what versions we are having. Okay, latest version and long-term support 19C is there. Another 23 AI also there, but as of now, most of the customers are using now 19C. So next, what is our role? If you learn this course, what is your role? What are all the things you need to learn and how you are going to perform your activities? So that also we are going to discuss. Clear-cut roles and responsibilities. If you know the role and your responsibility, you can easily execute your tasks on day by day. Also, you can, that is very easy to learn. The technical skills are more on it. If you know the role and if you know the end, or if you know the target, we can achieve. If you don't know the target, how you are going to go? Like if somebody want to swim, they want to know the target, right? If they don't know about the target, if they leave them in a sea, then how they can go for the edge? So that is very difficult, right? That's where we should have to know our roles and responsibilities. I'll explain. I have make it a clear-cut document also for that, and clear-cut explanation also you will get it. And once you know the roles and responsibilities, next we need to learn what are all the tools we are going to use. What are all the things we need to learn before learning Oracle DBA? what are all the prerequisites. That also we are going to learn those things. Once you know these things also, then we can use it. We can use one by one tools like Putty. This is one background. I mean, what I can say, Putty is the tool where we are going to access our servers in the backend. So backend heart. Okay. Without this Putty, we cannot connect to the servers. For I'm talking about our Oracle side, like we can use AMD also, command the line prompt also, we can use some other tools also, cloud tools also, but Putty is the generic one where we are going to use it. Okay. Likewise, we are going to cover all the tools. What are the tools we are using? What are the tools it required? Okay, as a DBA, I'm going to cover those as well. Next, VirtualBox and operating system and database installation. This database installation part is our 19C database, latest database software we are going to install on top of Linux operating system. This Linux operating system we can install on our virtual machine, like on VirtualBox. This is our VirtualBox. I'll show you here. This is our VirtualBox. So if you want to install more than one operating system, if you want to install more than one machine in a single window or single laptop on single server, we need virtual manager. So I'll explain those things as part of our training as well. So individually you can create one new machine. So I'm going to create one demo machine. So I need some storage, and then what kind of operating system I'm going to use. I'm going to use Microsoft Windows or Linux. I'm going to use Linux operating system. So how much memory you are going to provide for this machine? I need at least 4 GB and one processor is fine. Then how much storage you need for my database? If I want to install, I need minimum 50 gig. I have 50 gig is there. Then click next. Then my machine is ready. Just finish it. So my demo machine is ready. Here on this machine, I'm going to install my Linux operating system. After that, I'm going to install my database. That's it. Now I'm going to start my DBA jobs on this part. So this we are going to learn very practically, more practically. First, we need to understand the theoretically, and then we can go with practically one by one. So it's very simple. I have designed so if anybody can able to learn. Okay, in that way. Then once the machine is ready, how to connect, how to set up the network. Like as of now, I am using my system, and inside my system, I have VirtualBox. Inside this VirtualBox, my database servers are there. If somebody outside my system, like outside my server, somebody wants to connect my DevDB, how they want to connect. So we need to enable something, network level things. We need to give them some of the network parameters. Then only they can able to connect it, right? So how we are going to connect to this database locally, remotely, we are going to cover those topics as well. Then user management. Why we need users? Like I have created this machine. I'm using personally only one person using this database, but real time it is not the case, right? For organization, they want to store their database or they want to store their data. They need one database. That database should be a secure, flexible, and more robustic kind of one. So Oracle is going to provide all those kind of features. So throughout the globe, if anyone wants to connect the database, which is existing in single data center or more than one or two data centers, but throughout the globe, people needs to access, right? How they are going to access? If they want to access, they need their credentials, right? Their user ID and passwords. That is DBA job to create users in your database. So how we are going to create, how we are going to manage, that is user management part. Next, table space and storage management. Next topic we are going to, once we done with the servers. Number two, we have connected the servers. We have created the users. Three parts is done. The fourth part is once you created the users, if they want to write, if they want to store something, how they are going to store? They need some storage, right? They need some space in this database. We need to manage as a DBA, we need to manage that space. We need to assign the space. If storage is filled up, I have assigned around 50 gig, right? Where it is, here it is. If my 50 gig is close to usage, like 49 gig is completed. So if it is filled up 50 gig, machine is hang, it won't work, right? So I need to manage the storage as well. System level storage and user level storage, both I need to manage. That we are going to cover it here. That is another part. Then backup and recovery. As a DBA, we are having around 50 gig storage. Out of 50 gig, we have stored 30 gig storage. Suppose something happened, my machine is crashed, this database server is crashed. Then whatever the data it is having, I may last, right? We can use some of the third-party tools or some other things. If you don't have anything, I lost my data, right? For that purpose, we have a concept backup and recovery. So we need to take on regular basis backups, daily, weekly, monthly. Mostly we can take daily and weekly backups. There is no monthly kind of thing that is not a secure. So every day, how much data we are going to get and we are going to take the backup. That backup you can use locally or you can take out from the server and keep it in disks or tapes, different things. Okay. That how we are going to manage. Well, once you take the backup, suppose my system is crashed today, whichever you took, like yesterday backup will be there, right? You can take that backup and restore it. So that is the part of restore and recovery part. How we are going to restore and recover if the system is crash. That how we are going to do, different scenarios will be there, right? So we can apply all the maximum scenarios, real-time scenarios, and then we can practice it, what I can say, in lab. Then patching. Another concept. As a DBA, we need to do the patching as well, right? Patching means, suppose we maintain everything, right? All those things. Patching means, suppose my database is having some error. Whatever the data I have, if I want to access that data, there is some issue in my software. Oracle 19c software, I have some issue. So I want to fix that. So Oracle has been introduced concept of patching. To fix any bugs, they will give some fix-ups in a GIF files. Okay, that files we call it as a patches. How we are going to download, how we are going to apply, how many types of patches we are having, so how many ways we are going to do it, that we will discuss. Clone, another part. Okay, now we are going to close to complete this. Cloning means, now I have, this is my production, I want to do some kind of new features I want to introduce, or I want to do some kind of testing. Can I do directly on my, I have only one database server. If I want to do all the testings in my database, single database, if something goes wrong, the data will be lost. That's where we need similar kind of server. Another one, I want to do the clone. Dev DB is there, no? Just I want to do dev DB underscore clone DB. The same location I'll use in different location. Full clone. I want full clone. I'm just giving, guys, this is not a real-time Oracle DBA clone, but I just want to show you what is mean by this part. Okay, let it complete. I think it may take 1 or 2 minutes. Let it be. If something goes wrong here, if I can do anything, any kind of fix-ups or any kind of things on this machine, I lost my data. That's where what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clone this dev DB to another server, that is dev underscore clone another server, right? Dev underscore clone. That server I can do all the testings. If the testing is succeeded, that solution I can apply on this dev. That's where we need to do the cloning. So cloning also we have different parts. So identical copy of your production, we are going to copy identical copy to another copy, that we call it as a clone. How we are going to do, I'll explain you theoretically and practically. Next one is performance tuning. This we have couple of tools and all, right? Something goes wrong, somebody is trying to access this database. Okay, that database taking time more than 1 hour or 2 hours. Why it is taking time? Yesterday I have connected the database, executed report within minute, but today it is taking more than 1 hour. What happened? As a DBA, we need to troubleshoot that. How we are going to troubleshoot? What are all the tools we are going to use it? What are the reports we are going to use? Even though if you are unable to, like, if human beings, if they are not healthy, if they visit the doctor, what doctor will suggest, they will write some tests and they will ask us to get the reports. Likewise, if you are having any issues in your database, we need to get the reports by using these tools. And then as a DBA, we need to read the reports and then identify the cause or issue, fix up. So that is called performance tune. How we are going to tune properly, that we call it performance tune. How we are going to do the good performance. ASM concepts, and this is for another storage, automatic storage management and data guard, replications, and very important, up-to-date upgrade. If you are not upgrade your skill set, you cannot be promoted for the next level, right? Each and every technology or each and every concept, there should be some end date. So if you don't want to stop your journey at end point, you have to keep upgrade your skill set. Okay, keep upgrade your skill set. That's where Oracle continuously working on their versions. They started with version 1, now they are in 23 AI. So they're continuously upgrading their versions and they are using latest technologies, latest trend, and which is giving more features, more flexibility, more security. That's where, right, we need to be upgrade. So even that upgrade, right, now we are using 19C. Might be this year or next year, if you are getting 23 AI, you need to upgrade your database from 19C to 23 AI. How you are going to do it? Okay, that is our DBA job. So I'll give you some of the upgrade tasks from 19C, 21C upgrade, 12C to 19C upgrade. I'll explain you theoretically and I'll show you practically from 19C, 12C version to 19C version and 19C to 21C version very easily. Then I'm going to cover frequently asked interview questions, how to face the interview, what are all the topics you need to brush up, and how to answer the questions, how to understand the question first. All those things we are going to discuss. And most of them are failing to prepare the resumes or CVs. If you are not preparing your CV properly, you will not get interview calls. So I'm going to guide you how to prepare your proper CV also. So these are all the topics we are going to cover as part of this training. All these trainings recordings I'll provide you through Google Drive. You will get next 1 year unlimited access to those recorded videos. Those recorded videos and lab activities guides you can download from the Google Drive. Okay. All these meetings will conducted through the Zoom. You will get for once you register, you will get the Zoom link for entire course. This is what we are going to plan. Okay. If you're interested to learn and if you are interested to join this training, call to this number or text me on WhatsApp, the same number, or you can text me on this mail ID. We will get back to you. Okay. Thank you.